Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually go and add a logo to your video in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and go to the Wondershare Filmora website and download the actual application. After that, you need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. After that, you can see that in the left corner we have the file, edit, tools, view, export and help options. And also we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen options. Also, we have the option of export, but that is not available at the moment because we don't have anything in. So now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a logo to your video in Filmora. But it's pretty simple. First of all, we need to have a sample video in. So I'm going to put a sample video here. So we have a video now. Drag your video here, and it has to be here, down here, in this down here. And you have the video now. Now all we need to do is add the logo. Basically what we need to do is go and find your logo. So I'm going to click on my logo now that I had for my channel. Click on the logo and you have it here. Now click on it as you click on the video and drag it to the video. You need to go and put it through the whole video by clicking on it and dragging it until the same timestamp. And now you have it here. As you can see, you can go and make it smaller. Basically click on it and make it smaller, put it somewhere that you want, probably like here, and then voila, you have your video. So the video goes. Now you have your video and you have your logo. So guys, that will be everything for this video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.